Bloxflip Login not working. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can solve if the Bloxflip login is not working, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now Bloxflip is basically just like a gaming platform, so if you went to bloxflip.com and then you're not being able to log into your account, so you basically tap the login option from the top right, but you're not being able to enter your username. What you have to do is make sure to enter your Roblox username, and if you have an affiliate code you can type it here and then just tap the sign in option. So you can just go ahead and then make sure to enter the username of your Roblox ID over here, and once you have done this, what you want to do is just tap the sign in option. Then it will ask you to select your date of birth and so on, and once done you should be able to log into your account. Hope this video helped you as to how you can solve if the Bloxflip login is not working. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in our next video.